Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Olanma Treasure, and if this content appeals to you, please do not forget to subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button to be part of this family. Okay, alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these locks today. A lot of people have been telling me to do the locks on myself, so here I am doing it on myself. So let's get right into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, the hair ties, I use this hair that I got from Amazon. So it's the spring twist hair. It comes in 6 packs per packet, so I get it from Amazon. I'm going to be listing the link below to this hair. Sometimes I also use this what's it called, this spring twist hair. It's called Town Tress. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is what the pack looks like, and I think they also have spring twist hair in Expression and Rastafari. So any spring twist hair would work with this. These are the two that I mostly use for my locks. So yeah, that's the hair. You get one strand of the hair, and you're going to unravel it like so, like this, and you do the other end as well, like so. Until you have something like this. So depending on the length you're going for, this would be enough for one. But if you're going anything longer than mid back, or from mid back and lower, you're going to have to add hair. I parted this hair yesterday, so it's kind of dry right now. I'm going to use this conditioner and oil mix. I mixed all kinds of oil in here: argan oil, olive oil, what's it called, so many kinds of oils in here, and also conditioner. So once my hair is dry, I like to spray because it has a mixture of everything. So I'm just going to use this to spray my hair, ouch, because it's dry. So I already pre-parted my hair before I did these, so make sure you pre-part your hair so you're ready to go. And I have up to like 40 braids in, but it depends on how you want it anyways. This is just how I like it. So now I'm going to use my crochet needle, insert, you know how to do crochet, just the normal way you do your crochet. Insert it into here and drag it. And you adjust the size you like it, and then begin to wrap. So the technique is wrap, and then use your finger to hold it. So keep doing it to your desired thickness. Keep going. So we have piece left. Seems like we're going to have to add some hair to this. So I am going to use this piece. Then when you're adding, make sure you go a little bit above, because if you do it from where you stopped, it's going to slip out from here. So make sure you start a little bit above from where you stopped. So like so. Okay, so now when we get to this point, we are going to twist it back this way. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, just so you can have this circle around here. I don't know if you guys noticed that detail, but yeah, so I'm going to twist it over here and then tie this part like so, and then keep wrapping upwards. And then you can tie a knot as you go, just so it's secure and it doesn't unravel on you. So this method does not need any burning or anything like that. It's safe like this. I'm telling you, this is not going anywhere at all. So yeah, so for this is what I have. Let's see, like so. Okay, now watch me do this one. Here, my crochet pin is in here already. I am now going to insert like so, and then drag it down. And I'm now going to begin to wrap. So make sure you wrap tightly so it's secure down here, and then you can now start using your finger to hold it back like so. This hair is definitely recommended. I would recommend anybody to do this hair because it would last you long, very long. This can last you at least 3 months, depending on maintenance. If you maintain it well, it will definitely last you a while. And what I like about it is it's very flexible, it's very durable, it's very lightweight. Girl, you can't go wrong with this hair. You can't tell me nothing. This is the perfect summer hair. And then when you go to the pool, if it touches water, it doesn't take time before it dries. It dries quickly, very quickly. So for all them girls going for summer holidays, this is definitely for you. This is definitely for you. So yeah, so keep wrapping. And this is also good because you don't have to wrap over and over and over again. So when you're using your fingers to pluck it off, it gives it this volume. It gives it this illusion that it has a lot of volume. So you don't have to wrap it over and over again. You just have to wrap once and then maybe just tie the ends, and that's it. So make sure you start a little bit above when you're trying to join, just so it doesn't unravel from the bottom. Like so. So looks like I'm going to be joining another one. So I'll just unravel another one. and join it in half. Okay, so now let's go. So now I'm going to twist it back like this and then wrap here so it's safe and secure and not going anywhere. So now wrap upwards and then tie a knot. My fingers will not move. Yep. And this is longer. That's not long at all. So at least you can move it around. I mean, I know my parts are not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, except I'm doing it for a client, then it needs to be perfect. But for me, I don't really care. It's lots anyway, so it doesn't have to be really perfect, especially if you're doing it for yourself. So, yep, this is the result, guys. This is so weightless. I can shake my hair. I can do whatever, and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't. Like, you can never go wrong with this, guys. So easy, super easy, and lightweight. I think I may have to make this middle one, a little bit longer, because when you put it over to this place, it doesn't really sit nicely. Oh, I might do the wrong position, I think. Maybe. think this is just as good as perfect.